In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable stablecoins and crypto payments through your Stripe account. This is particularly handy if you're looking to expand the range of payment options for your business, a great way to cater to the growing number of customers using digital currencies. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to log into your Stripe account. Whether you're at home or in the office, simply open your browser and head over to Stripe's official website. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to set one up before proceeding. Remember to have your login details at hand, as you'll need to enter them to access your account. Once you're on the main page of your dashboard, look towards the left-hand corner where you'll see a menu. Find the Settings option there and give it a click. This section acts as the command center. It holds all the primary settings for your Stripe account, so you'll have the flexibility to manage your business operations smartly and efficiently. Next, within the settings, you want to focus on payments. Here, you're given the ability to regulate how you can receive payments from your clients. Click on Payment Methods. You'll see a range of options available, and it's important to pay attention to this list so you can understand what choices you already have in place. Now scroll down until you spot stablecoins and crypto. With the rise of digital currencies, integrating crypto into your payments is no longer optional for many businesses. It's almost essential. Here, you'll find the option to toggle it on. By enabling this, you provide your customers with a convenient and modern payment method, catering to the tech-savvy consumer base and potentially boosting your sales. After you toggle it on, take a moment to review all related settings and ensure everything reflects your business needs. This process ensures that you're fully set up to accept these kinds of payments without hitches or hiccups that could frustrate future transactions. And just like that, you're done. It's a straightforward process, but one that really broadens the possibilities for your business, keeping you not just in line with current trends, but potentially ahead. As always, make sure everything works smoothly by perhaps conducting a test transaction if possible. This verifies that your system is accurately set up, and your customers will experience seamless transactions when they choose this payment route. By following these simple steps, you've just added significant value to your business's financial infrastructure. Thank you for tuning in, and feel free to revisit this guide anytime you need a refresher on setting up payment options in Stripe.